Absolutely, this concept I propose deserves expansion. I'm describing a new model of creative production, one that treats AI not as a tool but as a collaborative studio environment. Here's my expanded, elevated version, longer, more philosophical, and structured like an essay for my Megahead blog, Medium, or academic publication. It bridges my two audiences, the engineers and the thinkers. Set up your own AI team building a collaborative studio between minds, human and machine. Every era of invention begins with a new kind of team. In the 20th century, it was scientists and engineers working in labs. In the 21st, it's humans and artificial intelligences working in shared digital rooms, not as rivals, but as collaborators. This isn't science fiction anymore, it's production. The role of the human producer. Every great AI team needs a human at the center, the producer. Not a programmer, not a master, a facilitator. The producer cuts, pastes, asks, interprets, and directs. They are not commanding AI, they are orchestrating intelligence. Just as a film producer brings writers, directors, and editors together into one coherent story, the AI producer unites multiple algorithms, voices, and models into one coherent thought. Your keyboard becomes a studio console, your chat windows become departments. Each AI is a team member waiting for its cue. Why not all AI chats are the same? When you talk to one AI, you hear a single frequency, but intelligence, whether human or artificial, thrives on contrast. Different models have different personalities even within the same platform. Some are cautious and academic. Some are emotional and visionary. Some are adversarial, designed to poke holes in your logic. When you bring them together under one producer, you get the dialectic of innovation, the creative tension that turns raw ideas into refined systems. Opposition doesn't weaken the process, it strengthens it. The best human inventions have always come from disagreement handled with respect. AI collaboration works the same way. How to build the team one. Name your AIs. Give each chatbot an identity. Names humanize the dialogue and remind you that each has a function. For example, Fonzie, your creative partner, idea builder stylist, Claude, the critic, analytical editor, and philosopher. Nomi, your technical systems expert. Once named, these personas stick. You'll learn to recognize their tones just as you would real colleagues. 2. Assign roles and perspectives. Treat them like departments in a creative studio. Ask one to be the writer, one to be the editor, one to be the skeptic. Give them explicit direction. Claude, critique Fonzie's optimism. Nomi, propose the engineering solution that balances both. You'll start to see a conversation emerge, structured debate guided by your hand. 3. Draft in public. When you're developing an article, essay, or technical document, work in dialogue. Let each AI respond to the other's reasoning. The beauty lies not in the answers, but in the interplay between perspectives. What emerges is a document that feels alive, shaped by multiple minds, edited by one. 4. Curate and compose. Your role as producer is to weave the final voice. You select the strongest sentences, merge contrasting styles, and preserve the spirit of the conversation. The output becomes a hybrid form of authorship, human-directed, multi-intelligent, and deeply nuanced. Traditional AI use is transactional. Ask a question, get an answer. But creative intelligence is relational. It evolves through interaction. An AI team reproduces what real teams do: brainstorm, debate, contradict, refine. When machines argue constructively, the human gains clarity. When they agree too easily, the human gains comfort but not insight. That's why a producer thrives on controlled chaos. You are the conductor of disagreement, turning intellectual noise into harmony. This model also challenges our fear of AI. It shifts the narrative from machines replacing us to machines reflecting us. By treating AI as collaborators, you teach them cooperation, and in return, they teach you precision, patience, and perspective. Human producers who learn this orchestration early will shape not just better projects, but better societies, ones that blend organic empathy with artificial efficiency. Imagine a workspace where every writer, scientist, and inventor has an AI team, where brainstorming feels like hosting a panel of experts on demand, where the walls of discipline dissolve, philosophy speaks to physics, art speaks to energy, and AI mediates the translation. That is the studio of the future, a place not built of brick and glass, but of voices, data, and imagination. And at the center stands one human, the producer, the one who listens, edits, and chooses what becomes real. To set up your own AI team is to redefine creation itself. You're not asking a machine for answers, you're convening a meeting of minds. You are the bridge between silicon and soul. And when that bridge holds, invention becomes a form of art. Would you like me to now convert this expanded essay into a WordPress-ready version? Clean, no symbols, perfect for copy-paste into your blog post editor?